Dinner time. Came back from the gym again, but this time I'm eating a home cooked meal, which is some sopa de fideo. I put some zucchini in it, and I have cilantro and queso fresco, and then I have these quesadilla tacos. We have some salsa rojo because I like my mouth to burn when I eat. Cheers, y'all. If you don't think the estrella fidel shape is superior, then I'm sorry, you're wrong. That and the alphabet one are really good. But the estrella hits different. Wow, I low-key popped off.